else do I want from Santa Claus besides a flying car? Oh, I know. Dollars. And oh, wait a minute. I'm recording my video right now. You don't need to see my list for Santa Claus. Alright, let's go to this. Our learning target today is I can compare decimals. So we're going to start out first by reviewing some things about decimals. So right here we have 5/10 and 87/100. So when we would shade this in, so 5/10, this is a tenth right here. So there's 1, 2. So that is showing 5/10. Now we're going to look at 87/100. 8 because there's 8/10, and then I have to do 7/100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7. So it's pretty easy to see that 87/100 is bigger than 5/10. So we could write this like this. Or I could write it the other way. So there are two different ways that we can compare them. Now what I need to do, though, is I need to go back a few screens. One thing that you need to do when you're comparing decimals is comparing things that are of the same whole. So for instance here, a box of dental floss contains 50 meters of floss. Samantha used 4/10 of a meter to floss her teeth. Her brother Eli used 56/100 of a meter to floss his teeth. Who used more dental floss? So another way that we can compare them is using a number line. So this one is the whole. These big lines here, those are tenths, and the little lines would be hundredths. So I'm going to plot 56/100. So I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, here's 50, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can go there. I really don't need these lines here. Then I'm going to show 4/10. So this would be 10, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10 is right here. So now it's very easy to see that as writing a number sentence, 56/100 is bigger than 4/10, or I can write it this way. And some of these you might know from looking at them, but it's always a good idea to do this just to double check. The last thing I want to show you is this, where things can get a little bit tricky when comparing decimals. Oh, that's not what I wanted. This isn't what I wanted either. So we'll just talk about this in group. But our learning target is comparing decimals. Bring your math journal and a pencil to group.